Welcome. Today we have Samsung M12 and the phone has a broken backlight. Everything works, but screen is very dark. So what we have to do, in that model you have to remove, as you can see, this capacitor, and very often you need to replace that coil. After that, your backlight will be back and the phone will work. I will show you. As you can see, now backlight work. So this is the solution of that issue. If you have any question, please write below in comments and don't forget to subscribe, and until the next time.